Welcome to Merchu, a Slovak GOTS certified printing company where we've been focusing on sustainable textile printing for more than a decade. GOTS, or Global Organic Textile Standard, is a globally recognized standard that guarantees compliance with strict ecological and ethical criteria in the production of organic textile at all stages. From cotton cultivation and fiber processing to textile printing, the GOTS certification guarantees that a textile product is safe for our health, the production itself does not excessively burden the environment, and fair and safe working conditions are maintained for all employees. The GOTS is not just about what we produce, but more importantly, how we produce it. In order for your final product to be GOTS, every single production throughout the entire manufacturing process must be certified. In other words, a GOTS t-shirt with a conventional print loses its certification, and you can no longer offer it with a GOTS label, even if the textile itself had the certification. However, if you decide to go for the GOTS print, the certification is retained and your product will be marked with a GOTS tag. The tag with our license number confirms the certification of the final product, which can be verified anytime in the worldwide database. At Merchu, in addition to GOTS printing, we also offer a wide range of GOTS textile and can thus guarantee you a fully certified product. So what can you expect from GOTS printing, and what makes our production unique? Adherence to sustainable production processes and the use of environmentally friendly aids, such as GOTS water-based adhesive, are important. Of course, high-quality GOTS inks, which we mix to the desired shade, are an essential part of production. If your design is multicolored and screen printing is limiting, we also offer the option of digital GOTS printing. After drying, we label the textile with GOTS tags, package the t-shirts, and send them on their way. Maintaining the GOTS certification requires continuous improvement of production processes and adherence to all its standards. This is checked annually by an independent organization, in our case the Soil Association. The result of our precise work is not only your GOTS product, but also the associated product lifecycle monitoring, water care and thorough filtration, efficiency in energy consumption, or waste sorting for further use in circular production. Our work in accordance with the GOTS standards requires a lot of effort and commitment. At Merchu, we are proud to be one of the few in Europe to produce truly eco-friendly and ethical merch. Find out about our GOTS printing and help us protect our planet by making a responsible choice.